In this video, we at iDoc Europe show you how to replace the back cover of your Galaxy S10e. The repair is quite easy because you only have to loosen the glued back cover and no further components have to be removed. You should plan about 30 minutes for this repair. For the repair, we recommend the following tools. High-quality tools and original Samsung spare parts are available at www.idoc.eu. All links to the spare part and the tools can be found in the video description. And now we wish you a lot of fun with the repair. First of all, switch off the device before you start the repair. You can remove the back cover by warming up the glue and sliding all around with a flat tool between the back cover and the frame. But attention, after a repair the mobile phone is no longer water resistant anymore. Tools like the iPlastix or the iFlex are especially suitable for this. The iFlex is very flexible, has rounded corners and is very thin but still stable. You'll also need several flat picks and a suction cup to remove the back cover. Take a hot air gun or an ordinary hairdryer and gradually heat up the entire edge of the back cover. Don't heat the phone too much, just so you can still touch it comfortably. Place the suction cup on the bottom of the device and pull it to create a small gap between the back cover and the frame. Then try to get into the gap with your tool. With the iFlex, it's a little easier than with the iPlastix because it's made out of metal and is a bit more stable. The iFlex also makes it easier to scratch the frame of your device. So we recommend using a plastic tool as soon as possible. Slide the iPlastix under the iFlex into the gap. Then you can pull out the iFlex. Don't push the tool too far into the device and be careful not to scratch the back cover with the edges of the tool. That's why we recommend using a plastic tool as soon as possible. Do not insert your tool too far into the device. In the area where the cameras are, you should be careful not to damage anything. Then heat up again the area where you continue to work and move your tool further along the edge. To prevent the glue from reconnecting, you can use several picks and stick them into the already loosened parts. Be really careful as the back cover is made of glass and can break easily. Then continue along the entire frame and gradually loosen the glue. If necessary, heat repeatedly and repeat the process. Removing the back cover can take half an hour. Better take a little more time and work carefully to avoid breaking anything. Here you can see the glue. It is mainly on the edges and above the cameras. Now compare your new back cover with the old one. It may be that you still have to take over the cover glass for the cameras. Remove it with hot air and insert it into the new back cover. With an original Samsung back cover from iDoc, the cover is already included. Before attaching the back cover, check if there are any old glue residues on the frame of the device. Remove them so that the new back cover lies flat and even. Remove the plastic film over the back cover's adhesive surfaces and then position the back cover on the device. Carefully place the back cover on the frame and press it down once it is correctly positioned. Heat the rear glass again with hot air so that the glue will bond again. Please note, however, that the smartphone is no longer fully waterproof after repair. As long as the glue cools down, you can press the rear glass down with your fingers or weigh it down with a few books. Your phone is fixed now and we hope it was fun for you. If you liked the video, why don't you leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. High-quality tools, spare parts and accessories are available in our store. See you next time.